One doctor be a minimum no a lecturer or frame me no can say I like your calm composure pa because that guy was making me feel me cry na me teach na me buefu. And I'm saying no. As a mental health practitioner and as somebody admire psychology, no, when you meet people who are violent in nature, especially who feels that they know everything and they feel that they are perfect and they are rigid-minded, say BBR have to be their way how they like it. You don't have to go with the same energy towards them because a bema show now we no cry say di pan shada nte de mumi no mo kan because obi a person wo kire say ne de ye but calmly na wo di hie nipa no na wo put facts no to the person wo bon say ebedu ba bi no nipa na be admit say de wo kan no ewum. And that is what happened last 3 days. Many miracles Aboagye interview no. Na ade bia sidie nti America we ewo Good Morning Ghana so one deputy presidential spokesperson for the president John Dramani Mahama and I was so a customer for NDC amanyuku o kasapa o radio so ko kasa ne ade a o sanso yen sentroni Shamima Muslim na one miracles Aboagye ehia ewo TV so enkomodi mu fa economy hu nsensem ne de ekoso ya na me pese wutie de ekoso bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 and YouTube be ready ekoso
on this matter we are not experts. Dennis Miracles settings Aboagye and I on this matter we are not experts.
Who told you I am not an expert?
You are not an expert.
But
please, I'm not asking you. Let me finish talking.
You are not an expert. Who told you I am not an expert?
Dennis, you are not an expert.
Who told you and I are the same level when it comes to the issue?
You see the arrogance.
No, but how can you tell me I'm not an
Dennis,
expert?
what have you managed?
What do you know about
even
me?
MCE did not. Dennis, tell Ghanaians what economy have you managed?
You haven't even mentioned a single finger in your conversation.
You see?
How dare you even say that you and I are not experts?
Dennis, stop this nonsense. No, he said that you go continue. Please don't do that.
No, but
we're all respectful.
No, but how
do
you tell me that you and I are not experts?
Hey, Dennis Aboagye, have you managed an economy?
What do you mean?
That is what I mean. It's a simple question. So let me go on.
Have you managed? Very difficult to have intellectual conversation.
Yes, Mr. Intellectual.
Very, very difficult.
Your intellectuality is what brought Ghana to where it is. You think that you can. You can.
Enti conversation ya wutie ya wo de wutie mi a. How do you feel on the national television? Miracles Aboagye and Shamima. Enunti now I was very strategic. Enti we obi a we interviewer and answer okushia Miracles Aboagye we debate mu a. You have to be calm and bring your facts out. Sometimes Miracles you obi a onim say the thing he's talking about enko ye mana he becomes violent. Now I started attacking you personally. Into which words be no use for me. Or say the hypocrite. Let me get this now or but I was calm and put the facts to him. But Shamima actually failed in this contest because when you meet someone, read in the personality. When the personality said you sit here, Miracles type is someone who feels that he knows everything, and you always interject. You say, "Oh, kasa, oh my own kasa." And I will play our interview to you know who they now or any be making. And ka fact put no to him. He doesn't want you to talk. Two bones was so I don't know interjected. So it was this lady's time to talk. But Miracle was interjecting. Now just to interrupt sad discussion. It will be able composing where remaining calm. One she yabe cancel we better and tokwane atem the between only me. And me, per my background, any medicine, I had to avoid it. But now I put the questions to him, which eventually, for the first time, Miracles Aboagye communication on Nhyira FM no be admit Agiatum say MPP goofed in 2022. In fact, we had all the wines na opese or Dani asem no yet said they did better even than that. But when I put the fact to him with the World Bank report, even when I gave it to him on the GDP growth after 2022, he now accepted. I accept it. No argument. You see, that is how you handle such people. Because so no make kasana so yes, hey. Miracles Aboagye is such a person on camera that he will still interject you. He will still interject you. But Shamima as a journalist and the caliber, no, so now I felt that Enka Ube to me I handled this very, very well. Say on drag you more to the gutters like Akoya team Didier like this. Your miracle started or can't say no or say how dare you. But what Shamima is asking, no, or can't say munye economist, munye expert in economy. And you know, these figures, you know, but it was a discussion on the economy. It will be actually. But Miracles wasn't comfortable, so because we expect it. Miracles, but only expect. He knows it all. I didn't know because we expect. Because Shamima used it, we are not experts. One can say you Miracle is not an expert. Until Miracle be no because are you an expert? And we be say you haven't managed an economy before. So what manage the economy da? You do koye DC kurano. Anche and you fluent, you are competent. As on kombe mwatra. He was putting questions, and it's true. All these things are no beside questions, but he wasn't comfortable because sometimes when he faced arguments like this, na obey violent. And you have to avoid it. Na one makam pusher, and then you give your facts one by one. This is what happened between Miracles Aboagye enemy and how come I put it to him for him to accept.
And MPR said, what are you talking about? You've lost 16 billion to the extent that Okoton gold and lose over 9 billion. You don't go to Boka.
But still on the GDP growth and we spent 60 billion in 2022, and we had a growth of 3.9% of our GDP.
Yeah, that was in 2022. That is why in 2023 we improved.
But he goofed. But still on the GDP growth and we spent 60 billion in 2022, and we had a growth of 3.9% of our GDP.
Yeah, that was in 2022. That is why in 2023 we improved. In 2024 we improved.
Let me land.
I agree. No, you agree, so you don't have to land. I agree with you. I agree with you. 2022 was terrible.
Yes.
I agree with you.
2023
it was terrible.
Yes.
It was terrible.
But it was a huge expenditure.
Yes, it was terrible.
Yeah.
That is why the MPP government in 2023 massively turned it around in 2023 and massively turned it around in 2024. So why do we get back to our worst form again? 2022 was terrible, I agree with you. But in 2023, we turned it around. And in
2023 we turn it around. 2023 we turn it around. But you see, I said the all can and then this is how I handled him.
We even improved it further. And I'm almost say, even side improvements, and yet, it's mobile baby, mobile, what time you with your months.
But if you look at a report from African Development Bank Group and then also from the Bank of Ghana, where reports, you realize that, as you said, say improvement abano. Miracles and yes, 2022 was 3.8%. And then we decelerated to 2.9% in 2023. So, Okabomwa, your GDP no sukra declining, you decelerating. So 60 billion next year, we decelerated in 2023. That does it really prove, say, you spend this kind of fast, so like today we are seeing miracles. Yes, miracles. I said 2022, your GDP growth around 3.8% in 2022. You're at 2023, no, a decelerating to 2.9%. After spending the 60 billion, na GDP also asset.
Yeah.
And
but 2022 there, after it was terrible. We can go. It's terrible. Terrible. It was terrible.
Why?
Terrible. 2022. It was terrible.
Why?
You don't need a why. Everybody knows what happened in the global economy in 2022. That is why.
But the bank, the World Bank disproves that. The World Bank says you cannot blame the COVID-19 Russia-Ukraine war for the economic crisis in 2022, and that was reported on September 26, 2025.
Let me even fuel your attempt to digress. 2022.
I'm not digressing. I'm just bringing.
No, wait on.
We are
2022.
Do you buy na fact no they pushing what say they work can say 2023 we improve 2020 na make sense 2023 more improve GDP growth are of any other the facts na man say oh COVID-19 am say COVID-19 World Bank say yen one am the facts na chere na fe there or no catch them say or attack me say I'm actually trying say me divert asem no me dey kofa baby you get it. So he will come after you, your personality. You tend to focus on attack rather than going through the substance of the issue. And that is where I think Shamima should have actually composed herself, become a bit, but also get through how violent they are on the national television. Now, both of them, and they need really to actually apologize to Ghanaians for that. And I'm not surprised because said that was the decision that Omar Fase, anything you say which is about them or maybe a flag bearer of the party, they will come after you. They will come after you. And obeba no violent. So with your interview, everything with them, because yourself can't say on your comfortable, they will come in that manner. This is what he said.
This last caution, and again, I have directed all our communicators as the 2024 communications director of the MPP's campaign that anybody who comes after our flag bearer, go after the person in 3 folds. Okay. I am sending this last caution, and again, I have directed all our communicators.
And you realize that when we got to Baumia's issue, he was very violent and all that, even attacking me, saying hypocrisy, this, that, by Memphino. Because when you go through that, I want to argument. I told you a doctor, almost associate professor, who called me and was talking about how it happens in Pennyfoot. So if you want the show, good morning, Ghana, why you show but do you see one? This is will be we interview somebody like Miracles Aboagye. They feel so well known and a bit of arrogance. They feel that they know more than others. You if you are not calm, we should be say. So you have to be tactical and we on the national television for the whole country in terms of politics of insult. How dare you? Nonsense. And you will be brave. This shouldn't happen again. The two of them should be, actually bow their heads in shame. It's a very shameful act, of course. Eugene.
Yeah, Akokoa.
Bra, Bibi Abokode.
Right.